Abusiafo mama ma obi bia kwa ba once again na ena me ne wo kasei eye atorenche ma to MPP amanyoko no some time ago na efa eye mrahye bedwani metwe JB Danquah ho no abusia sabia me ne wo kasei de asem na san bobo aba ma chese I say asem we de enya de ebewu ne na ewu echina the issue keeps popping up especially with the suspect na bebre na eboje ne so sexy don no me ne wo ka say de ne won sama sa ba bete ne bi enim sa brante ade a wogina court adake mu a ye toto na no ene ade a sebe ono ninua ba ko a eka ne ho na ye hwe se court no ebe pre justice de ama JB Danquah na so no me ne wo eka say ade a brante no aba abontene de nsem bi aba betudwa na ensem a wo ken nyina ene say se o plead guilty ewo owuo no ho papa JB Danquah wuo no ho no enye se no krese ono enekum papa no da bida na emom mpanimfo bi a wo mo ewo police edwumekuo no emu eno mo share no se onka se waje atum say ono eneku JB Danquah na busia it will shock you the names that are popping up in this particular issue. And Timino Kase Abrantie no ade and the lawyers plead for defense ede ama no wo court omutuemu say niama bi na sebe beba ayema ne plead say oye guilty of the crime but within him no anya ade a wonim sa asem we hu bi esan say that poti a JB Danquah ni wuo no esi ye ni fie honom no na oni ho na oni honom a he was a distance away from the house and as asem we esi ye na ochire mu kra na asa na adwo no na chese ono akase wakobo business bi ni ade ma chese be ma kakra be pem na ta so etene okopa ege bi street bi oyon running street na ni okoyi ni sisim kakra oho ena fa no enti wantimi kra mafie wo be fie the next day nkosan kwachele ya ansana wo be fie enti say onu ko bedu wo no na chese wandru ompo enote the news no about the demise of the boss nanso no okodu police station honom no ena DSP Kofi Sapon say watata na sumu ni ade sisi na ni so ni ade IGP Dampare enim ene wo mo ka say won ka no kra no say djuma na busia wo hwe beatings abante ni chema beatings ye de man no asotori ojeje ye no ni nante na ni sumu an na say IGP sign record no eteni oka say menam ye yo na chese yafa na wi because ebro na no odin so wanya ntuma ahwanke ye bebo na ma ye hu ne body cry o ba bia enti no kire mu say IGP Dampare ena afa DSP Kofi Sapon ena wo mo share ne kutupa manage mfumso ne etum na ebusia wotie some of the comments eba was a story yi ase ebi no mo kire say no krepa they've been victims before ukopie police station say de ebesi abo no ebi wana watoba ha na wo ha hai ntene uni choice bi ase obeji atum se mia na mku na se de be ya ebro no eto obetwa because wanya ntuma yenja obro entino sexy don ni sama wakanyina ni se ye bro no ene ye share no man can say he's guilty but no kranie he doesn't know anything about the death of the late JB Danquah nana asem we ya abrante yi eken ebi no mo twese no kre nti o se mpanifo omutimi hwehwem no muja abrante ne maneko because Ghana police ba na osobro ene asotore ene omoya ade o hunte bia out of frustration no na wode kasa ede na aka wo asem we ehu.
All right, so first of all, on this case no mianka sapodie I don't know but I believe so all of you are tired. Ya bre and I think so we are Ghanaian na wuti asem we ama we show.
Sure.
Of course. I've said it and I'll say it again. Utie me. Now, fellas, your life is in any way at risk, sir. Massa, etu okwa ubiti be license one, be 4,000, 5,000 cedis, and even 3,000 cedis. That thing can save your life because Seb the enemy no Obano is coming with a full force. I didn't tell America, sir. Ene say you could be give him the pattern of what really happens. Yabu too. What's the first that happens? Ghana police on their press conference and on their release press statement. After that evening and the next day, actually 1 or 2 suspects. The next 3 days, I have press conference. the next week it will news nim kofo be akasa about the crime rate in Ghana nema. The next 2 weeks case closed. A critical example is what happened at Millennium City. A critical example, two police officers in Kuomo whilst they were sitting in front of their house at Trasaku. I don't know if you heard it. A critical example, former woman be another boss, me finidin. Tema no so ye boni ekun rapiness
sure
issues bebre akoswa intimi hu killers. In law terms no you say justice delayed is justice denied. Justice delayed is justice denied. Now the reason why they say this is anytime you delay justice, no, indirectly you are denying a friend is saying justice and I say
the victim
right, compensation for the victim. Because what would you do to tell me, say, obi kumeba, obi rape me bekuno? Na irina could ya chena, ya man bill 2-3 years in the assembly, we na nipa nenam ho. It's nipano, if the person have just 4 years to live, and you say, on an amwa, onya justice be no afewu. And this is the catalog of, and I said, this is just a snippet of the catalog of cases, which is just mounted at the Ghana court. Yen di one simple entity. Me ankasa me tia kra me a victim from litigation issue to assault issue to divorce issue to plenty issues. Yen be docket no support. Now tia yen na judge new and judge name and ya just 2 years time. And that is what is really going on till now. No so yem show say hey intina na me kofie no be atwitu omusu no ye kumia. Would I ever get justice? And I'm a busuanfo and I'm in bar. My woman ye 4. Me hiro mutifie o tifie me hwe na ye kumi no. Who is going to take care of them? Would they get justice? Would they be relieved? Would they find closure in the case? No. Because one man or your predecessors or me wo no. Ye find closure mom. Now we be find closure. Ye hwe ya enu abe ma amedi sensually. Ete say
Chenkre yo muku madam for kaswe. I didn't question for me. I mean,
omu de because omu ages ni so no.
But still, at least let's see where the case headed to.
Exactly.
But who baby
exactly. And now okay say ablekuma farm of
bullion van police ni no. Even Jamestown and no so sa. So
omu say cases no e ba gidi na ye jai. We have not been able to have and close any case. Me can say brony enyame, but brony out of the 1,000 cases, so to me solve 40, 400, which is like 40%. It makes sense. And now brony no cases net that okra not investigate. It was obi to me di bone 1985. We are in 2024 because after nya evidence say bone no dia no repeat. And yet and now the people I was here from near be some questions here from. This guy is just there. Obo bi din yes obo bi na say obo bi din wo court. One person be means obo one person be wo court. On obo bi din I don't know if you have that name. He mentioned one person name in court or no say latest person. As a quite court onim de course onim shows ni obia e chama catch say if you have so snake and born pa. And he's mentioning unnecessary names. If we have evidence that this guy committed a crime, what is this whole theatric performance in court? And he had now call, oh, my dream Muhammad, and I see, and I'm on Friday, and I'm and they in Japan, and they Baumia, and they Mahama, and what is happening? We can't put this small boy behind bars. And the family is grieving. Now, for those of you who are if the late JB Danquah, a break cool no. Senane Baba quit 8 years, it's been 11 years now, right? 2016.
Sure.
No, it's been like almost getting to 8 years now. So add 8 to the banana with the 11 no. Neshe. He's almost a teenager. Into a bewaria nyemawo. Yama sani papa case in way. It is so sad, and that is why it is so pathetic. Jail this guy already if you have evidence against him. If you have evidence against him, jail him already. And the answer sources on the swa key people was here from the housemaid ninyan after the courts, your petitions are from our court say they be from Ubi. And you have Yes, see, and no best to see Eslowusu driving key witness 1, key witness 2 to court. How did Eslowusu have connection with those key witnesses, and why is she driving them to court? These are legitimate concerns, sir. Sexy don't lawyers, no, they were raising in court. Now you say omumbra no me testify, now say yen grille omo, and the court objected to it. You see, cases where the baby, so I say media, you can't say you can't cry at the bed, but it's so sad what is really happening. We need to find closure to this case. We need to find closure. We need to find closure. Man for be brave. What I say? Obi Timisha helmet. Hey, me asema me because of news I'm Italian flash. Okay, I say La Paz. Na police ni be in the juma no stop it. Motor ride the be.
Sure.
And I'm to ride and the bone to kuno. Okay.
Yeah.
I could see saying. I just say cruelty. Say, I say, yeah. And at the end of the day, cases need a bag giddy will catch the killers, bounty, sir. And your nam kruma. It is so sad. But to me, you know, the case about this and what should be done is just basically jailing this guy.
So, and the cracker say, yeah, whether he's guilty or he's not.
That
guilty.
is what I'm saying. Say, if you have evidence, say why you deny. In jailing like us.
I guess there is no evidence. Anything a back and forth in the door.
There is an evidence. DNA in the fingerprint matches. There are certain CCTV footage that it matches his description. And the guy admitted to getting into the house using knife on the wall. No. He has confessed that knife belonged to him.
So I'll see a share no song.
Why a share no?
I say IGP Danquah ni DSP go
yes, that was the latest name.
Or the machete ebe jina ni Sonia there.
That is what I'm saying. The latest name of boy IGP Danquah and a ye Kofi Sapon. The next Sebebo na Happiness TV. A theatric performance. And later make us if we have enough evidence, let's prosecute him because a Bema family anytime they will hear their father's name, they'll be crying, they'll be grieving. A critical example. Millennium City there. Millennium City akwano shoot to Ben Lord. Ben Lord court so guilty. He pleaded not guilty. And yesterday, I don't know if you saw the video. The family members almost lynched Ben Lord. Means one video now.
No.
I'll play the video now. Actually, they almost lynched Ben Lord, all because he almost got a bail. He almost got a bail. Into Ben Lord they couldn't power. He be man the bill.
Why would they even give him bail? Because there is evidence showing that the guy did it. So why are you giving him bail? I don't even
understand, my dear. Just saying, me share video.
And the issue no crano like we can once see a call back forth be a court na mama ni sentence straight up
straight
because enye assembly a chese bia no oye ni bibi bone and oye self defense. There was no self defense in this matter. So what is the back and forth? And actually Ghana nankasa no.
And you be my guy with bail. It's ebusuafo no means who share video na ebusuafo no they held the man's and you some try and draw you posted the video on Peter's team and you some try and draw a year court ho share on almost see be beli akwana because akwana was ska and we self-styled a year landguard
sure
according to your links our bemunya the national security near there so ebusuafo na kasa kwa yin ene ye beli na case na foolish case and they are saying this on the first time Ben Lord what you do was so the news so bunkufu kunkrofo da ye chine ye jan so the guy feels he's untouchable and what you do ekun bi a video evidence so you go to court and plead not guilty ye be man the bail
ye be send the lawyer so you
plead not guilty basa me name madam for big kasa or German or na me the issue be say no me need time there be pe boy CB masa show mama send them more be ejuma na ma quick masa you killed my relative innocent person masa papa nyehwe abone nyehwe.
That's how come people tend to mess
me can if you ya bebu ni ka yesi papa nyehwe se ne be yen fra anu kosi bone me ka se mehwe obi ma ye ka se hye me ma udidi ni ama oduane
sure
and ye drink aka mehye nkofo ma you will see who is who. Ati I say, eduane na odi pa na you show politank na esi o dem no. Asa. Say na onse na anu news we ba say Fulani phobia they are terrorizing some farmers. Farmer na kasa, I say okay, I need to fertilize my crops. At the end of the day 300 cattle every year. I fertilize my crops. I'm fertilizing my crops. first yen nyina you go school agriculture you say pesticide weedicide it is harmful to the body but it's good for the plants and it takes away some weed nema nti say me the weedicide ne pesticide I can me crop one na o cattle abe if I know we how is it my business case closed you better homa master you be o why you waste your time o Debbie no on nam asanko didi asanko Debbie it won't happen Debbie me dia me ka se me ma me nka bibia oh Debbie me nuaba ana me boa you better wo ma akoye se wo open studios no bi aba unye nipa ne bone adan a me sima me esipe o se o mpemi wa twese kan wo me ni oku oh me no papa after me no papa what na say papi oh don't worry the mom nya theatrical ye be chi so see nim no pastor the person come and meet you wherever you are oba be share say hey wo so do an me do ha clean job and you wasted time on this guy it is so sad
for it's sad baby and nsem no ekoko ba sem ba ko ye di hu abobo back and forth but anyways when I hear the new update ye she mo boss say de be pie mu bia nso no ye de be ma hwefo